Try It Tuesday time. It's Lexi and Banks, and today we're going to be chefs.
I can't wait to chef. I've never actually professionally chefed before.
We're at the UVU Culinary Arts Institute with Chef Todd and his class, and we're going to cook, we're going to plate, we're going to see what it takes to be a professional chef.
All the chef stuff.
This is Chef Todd, International Chef of the Year.
What are you going to teach us to cook today?
We're going to do chicken chasseur because it's hunting season. Another name for chasseur is hunter sauce.
Oh.
So we're going to roast chicken. We have a celery root puree. We're going to roast potatoes. We're going to cook vegetables correctly. It's going to be awesome. These are our amazing students, culinary students here at the UVU.
All right, crashing class at the UVU Culinary Institute. Let's try and not burn anything.
Let's make some sauce out of hunters.
First, we're going to season our chicken well. And this is, of course, a little Chef Todd's pit seasoning.
Chef Todd's is legit.
I don't know what pit seasoning is, but I'm excited.
It's a bottle with his face on the side
okay,
of it.
gotcha.
So, you can hear that sizzle, guys. So when you saute, you want to get that sizzle and make sure that sizzle stays there. We're going to take these potato barges. We're going to roast these guys off. Now, a little extra salt on these because it's a potato, right?
Yeah.
So now we're going to go right in the oven with those. See how they're loose from the pan? That's exactly what we want. These are batanet carrots. We're going to glaze them, okay? We're going to take a little bit of butter. We're going to put a little bit of salt in there. Now we're going to put sugar on the carrots. Not a lot. We're not trying to make them candy. We're going to hit those carrots with a little veggie stock. We're just going to finish roasting these right in the oven. And now, look at the crusties of love on that pan. What is this going to create?
Sauce.
That's flavor.
But we call it fond. Now we're going to put our wild mushrooms in, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of shallots. Now we're going to start a little bit of ratatouille. A little bit of our onion, some peppers, garlic, shallots. We're just going to cook these a little bit. Now we'll take a little bit of our white wine. Add the gloss right in there. That is homemade veal stock that we reduced down. Okay, we're going to season. We're going to add our soft veggies now. Add a little bit of tomato. We're going to take our potatoes now. We're going to take a little bit of pesto. Take a little bit of Parmesan cheese.
Oh, yum.
What's the main ingredient for cooking?
Love.
Butter.
Oh.
What's the second main ingredient?
Love.
Butter.
Oh, butter.
What's the third main ingredient?
Salt.
Bacon.
Oh.
I was going to go with butter again.
So now we're done. So I'm going to get ready to plate up. Voila! That, ladies and gentlemen, is UVU Culinary Arts. 1, 2, 3, Wolverines on 3. 1, 2, 3, Wolverines!
So now we're going to try and redo what Chef Todd just did and plate this up super fancy.
I don't normally plate anything up fancy when I serve it. I just kind of slop it on the plate, so this should be fun.
And like with everything, it's a competition.
Yeah, I'm going to win.
Chef Todd's going to be the judge. Let's see if we can make this plate look this pretty. Boom. It's right here on here.
Oh, baby. Banks. Banks is killing it. Ladies and gentlemen.
Boom. All right, Lexi.
My turn. Thank you. All right.
You want the towel?
I'm going to let my heart feel it. I'm putting the carrots in the middle. What are you going to do about it? Nothing. And then
What are you even doing over here?
I do my own thing.
I feel like I did a more traditional and she did like the Picasso version of your plate, Chef.
Sure.
I definitely got real creative.
judging time, Chef. Who won the plating competition?
I'm not sure who won exactly.
Hey, what are you talking about?
But her
Rigged.
name starts with a Lexi.
Rigged.
Chef Lexi.
You're the smartest chef I've ever met.
Dude,
Look at that. I put my
this
heart
is
on
a
that
modern
plate.
art production.
It is.
She got it. Culinary arts right here, UVU.
Check out Chef Todd, this program, UVU Culinary Arts. It's time to eat now.
Oh, baby.
Try it Tuesday.
Don't leave me hanging, chef.
Put a fork in it.
Thanks, chef.
What's the main ingredient for cooking?
Love.
Butter.
Oh.